Vikram and Betal stories. Varmala. As Vikramaditya walked away from the tree, Betal was silent for some distance, but then he again started speaking. Listen now. To listen to your justice, I tell you a story. It is just to pass time. Listen to it and do justice. Betal started his story, and Vikramaditya started listening quietly. Betal said, there lived a princess of Avanti Desh. Her name was Shashi. She was very beautiful. As she grew up, many proposals came for her, but the king of Avanti was unable to decide to whom to marry his daughter. After a while, the princes themselves started coming to the king and asked his daughter's hand. One day it is so happened that the king was sitting in his court that his gatekeeper informed him that the prince of Chol Desh wanted to see him. The king called him with the respect and asked the reason of his coming. He expressed his desire to marry the princess. Chol Desh was a very mighty kingdom in those times, so the king had to think about it. He said to him, please you stay in our special guest house. We will consult the princess and then only we can reply you. By the way, what is the speciality of yours? The prince said, I am a good archer. I can shoot Shabda Vide. Shooting an arrow, just only listening by sound, and I don't miss my target. And the prince was sent to the guest house. After this, another prince, Prince of Vaishali, came with the proposal. King asked him also, what is your speciality? He said, nobody can make a cloth like me. I alone know how to make the best silken cloth. And he presented a very good silken cloth to the king. All courtiers got stunned to see the quality of the softness of the cloth. That cloth was sent to the princess, and the prince was sent to the guest house. After this, another prince came with a marriage proposal. He was from the Bhang Desh. His speciality was that he was very learned. He remembered all the Vedas, Gitas, Puranas. Anybody could ask him anything from anywhere. The king sent him too to the guest house respectfully. Now came the prince of Chedi Desh. On asking his speciality, he told that he knew all the body parts and the princess will never be sick if she was married to him. He was also sent to the guest house. Thus 4 princes gathered in the king's palace as suitors for the princess. Now the king said to his daughter, dear daughter, 4 princes has come here in a desire of marrying you. Take this Varmala and put it in the neck of the prince you like most. The princess came to the guest room with the Varmala. Now tell whom the princess should choose as her husband. If you did not reply in spite of knowing, your skull will split into pieces. Betal got silent after telling this. Vikramaditya was also silent. He was walking fast and he had held Betal tightly. He knew that he had to reply. He could not be silent. So he said, listen, O Betal, a man is a Brahman, Kshatriya or Vaishya or Sudra by his actions only, not by his birth. So the princess should marry the prince of Choldesh because only he is a true Kshatriya. Others are Vaishya, Brahman and Sudra respectively. Only a Kshatriya can be the appropriate husband for a princess. As Vikramaditya broke his silence, Betal said laughing, you're right, Vikramaditya. Only a Kshatriya can be appropriate husband for the princess. And saying this, he again ran away from the king's shoulder. Although the king was attentive, still he took some time to capture him. He again started walking towards the cremation ground. After a while, Betal said, you're right. A man is Brahman or Kshatriya or Vaishya or Sudra by his karma only, not by his birth. Then who will be the carrier of a dead body? Sudra. And Betal broke into laughter. After a while, Vikramaditya saw a fire burning at one side and a woman was crying. Hearing this, Vikramaditya stopped. Betal said, don't stop, keep moving. This is a lonely forest. Ghost and vampire play games here. Don't even look at that. Just keep moving on. Vikramaditya obeyed him and kept moving. I hope you guys like this video. If you want more interesting channel is always available here. And you can watch more interesting videos, stories from our channel. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to this. Thank you so much.